resistance according to Ohm's law, that is called current. I equal to I naught sin of omega t plus pi by 2. Equation number 3. Look here. Here equation 1 and equation 3. Look here again. Equation 1 and equation 3 compare. Here equation 3 is current is ahead. How many degrees? Pi by 2. Current always taken as x-axis. Here current is ahead compared to EMF. Simply here EMF is lagging. EMF is lagging EC. That means applied EMF connected to the capacitor. Here EMF is lag compared to current by pi by 2. Overall current is ahead. Current is ahead 90 degrees compared to EC. EC. Write down. What is the formula for XC, Nana? Look here. XC formula is 1 by omega C. Omega formula is 2 pi FC. Omega formula 2 pi F. This is the formula for XC. What is the formula for XC, Nana? XC formula is 1 by 2 pi FC. Here F indicate frequency, C indicate capacitance. This is the formula for XC. Okay. For example, the chapter name AC, but I take DC. DC means direct current. Direct current means you have frequency have 0. That means here there is no cycles for DC. DC means frequency becomes 0. Simply here substitute XC value is here 0, 1 by 0 infinity. XC generally called as resistance in the capacitor. Resistance means opposition in the capacitor. Opposition in the capacitor is infinity. Its meaning is capacitor not allow the DC. Capacitor not allow the DC. Simply capacitor allow only AC. Capacitor not allow the DC. Not allow the DC. Simply capacitor working only for AC. Simply alternating current. Capacitor not working for DC. Write down. Very important notice. Another notice. Look here, Nana, all of you. Here XL. Here XL means omega L. Here XL is called resistance in the inductor. Here omega. Omega means 2 pi FL. Omega means 2 pi FL. Okay. For example, here also for DC తీసుకున్నాం. DC. Look here now. For example, it will be take DC now. DC. For DC, look here now. For DC, frequency becomes 0. DC, direct current, no cycles made per second, frequency is 0. Simply, XL formula is 0 into anything 0. Simply, for DC, for DC, coil not working because it have no resistance for DC. Nana, the coil for DC, the coil have no opposition. Okay. For example, look here, Nana, all of you. Here some exams ask the question. Look here. XL and frequency graph is drawn. XL and frequency graph is drawn. Here XL and F both are directly proportional. Graph gives straight line. Okay. Next one. Here XC, the formula of XC is 1 by omega C. Here omega value 2 pi FC. Here this is XC, this is F. Here XC and F both are inversely proportional. Here the graph is drawn between XC and F. Both are inversely. According to mathematics, the graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. Nana, next maths class cancel. No maths class, Nana. Physics class continue up to 4:30. Physics class continue up to 4:30, Nana. Please listen. Okay. Look here, Nana. According to this situation, first, Nana, AC through resistor. The graph is here IR. This meaning is input EMF, output current, both are in same phase. Second diagram, phase diagram. Here I fix. This is EL. This is EL. Next one. This is I, Nana. This is I. This is EC. These three phase diagrams are most important, Nana. All are combinedly right. Look here. This is I. This is I. This is what? EL. Here missing ER. Here missing EC. This is all will be combined. Look here. ER, EL, EC. Here EMF connected to the resistor. Here EMF connected through the inductor. Here EMF connected to the capacitor. Okay, it will be discussed next one. Next question, Nana. AC through LR circuit. AC through LR circuit. Here inductor, that means coil, and resistor. Once again I repeat, inductor, it will be resistor. Both are connected in series to the AC source. This is the symbol of AC source, Nana. This is the symbol of AC source. Okay, here L are connected to the AC source, Nana. Okay, here input EMF always E equal to E naught sin omega t, equation number 1. Output current directly I give. Look here, Nana. Output current directly I give I naught sin omega t minus 5, equation number 2. Okay, this can be explained by using phase diagram. Look here. We know that on the x-axis, which will be present current, according to phase diagram. Here next, R. ER also on the x-axis. Okay, simply EL is on the positive y-axis. LR circuit. That's why I take ER and EL. Nana here, according to parallelogram law, this is the P, this is the Q. Resultant always between. Always between means this is the E net. Look here Nana. Simply the diagram here. This is the I, this is the E net. Here, which will be ahead? EMF is ahead. What angle? Phi. Here, which will be lag? Current. How much angle lag? Phi. That's why here write minus phi. Okay? Minus phi. Okay, Nana? Here, in the situation, what is the net EMF formula? Look here in the LR circuit under root. Here one is ER, other one is EL. Both are perpendicular to each other. Resultant formula from parallelogram law R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Simply ER square, P is replaced, Q is replaced EL square plus 2PQ cos 90. Cos 90 becomes 0. Simply, what is the formula for E net? E net formula is under root ER square plus EL square. This is the equation number 3 in the LR circuit. Write down. 4. Equation 3 we get E net equal to under root ER square plus EL square. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here write IR whole square plus EL write as IXL whole square. Left side, Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here E net means I into Z. Here once again I repeat, E net I into R net. R net means total resistance in the circuit. That is denoted by Z. Z is called impedance in the circuit. What is the impedance? Impedance means total resistance in the circuit. This I what? Cancel. Finally we get Z equal to under root R square plus XL square. This is the formula for impedance in the circuit. Impedance means total resistance in the circuit. Once again I repeat. Impedance means total resistance in the circuit. Impedance means total resistance in the circuit. Next Nana, look here. Next Nana, I draw impedance triangle. We know that before phase diagram, this is what will be there? ER. This is EL. Here write. This is EL. This is called according to parallelogram E net. Look here. Now I discuss ER write as R. EL write as here resistance is XL. Total resistance in the circuit is Z. This is the right angle triangle. Which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to square square plus side square. This is called impedance triangle of the LR circuit. Write down. This is the symbol of AC source. This is the capacitor. This is the resistor. All are connected in series. AC source is connected to the capacitor, resistor, all are connected in series. In the situation, first to write input EMF. According to AC generator, what is the input EMF formula? E equal to E naught sin omega t. Next, what is the output current? Output current. This is the input EMF. Next, write output current. Output current expression is I equal to I naught sin omega t plus phi. Why here write? I can explain this equation by using phase diagram. We know that this is the I on the x-axis E through R. This is EC, applied EMF through capacitor EC. Okay? In the situation, this is P, this is Q. According to parallelogram law, this is E net, this is E net. Here, the angle between current and voltage is phi here. Okay na? The angle between current and voltage is phi. Current and voltage is phi. In the situation, look here all of you. Look here Nana. Current, this is voltage, this is. The angle between current and net voltage is phi. Here, in the situation, current is ahead compared to EMF. That means, so that's why here write plus phi. According to diagram, here this is EMF, this is current. Here current is ahead in the angle of phi. Okay. Next to write here net EMF. The same diagram here write. This is E net. Look here. This is ER. Look here. This is. Look here. This one parallel. This is EC. This is right angle triangle. According to physics, which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means E net equal to under root ER square plus EC square. Equation number 3. Okay. Next to write impedance triangle. This is E net. E net means Z. Simply total resistance in the circuit is called impedance. Here, this is called R, resistor resistance. This is called XC means capacitor resistance. To see here, XC. To To see here, R. E net indicate total resistance in the circuit. That is called impedance. According to Pythagoras theorem, directly I write Z equal to under root R square plus XC whole square. This is the formula for equation number 4. Here, this Z is called impedance. This Z is called as impedance. Impedance means total resistance in the circuit. This is the CR circuit.